fat like an elephant. Don't make it rain, come on, make it rain. Recommend, I'm changing up. The way I run back to straight up. And don't fuck with magic hoes like hold up, run that. Bass turned up, jumping out the notes. Snap backs, don't fuck that. Swag turned up with the things I'm up. A real nigga never heard of fake. Better not move with a full thing. Can't when they get that money, I take it all. Black guy ready to say. Black niggas that wanna ask those walls. New York fitting with the girls in the front. This is not playing from the team. I saw ya, girl, I'm a jock, cause I'm a bad girl. You can't go get a couple of stuff. Running that mouth, gotta watch that tongue. What up, talking sweet? Get smoked like a switch up. Look too quick, by the same that tongue. I had to pull it out and I bought a coat. Don't turn me off from me, my zone. I'm on shot, down, sick on the road. Do it for the ladies, I do it for the girls. Chopping up with the in the road. Tired of that blood blowing up like tick, tick.
They heard you shots ring out, so you know the niggas scurry. Snap that fucking cat back. Got 2 stacks, I snatch that. Will you interfere if I do? Well, that's where you lay flat. Bounce back, I sprung up. Yo, bitch look real stuck up. Till I pull my dick out and then I got sucked up. Oh, I think your luck's up. You niggas done fucked up. Got 12 shells, so I know that I got my fucking bucks up. Buck shots to the face, buck shots to the chest. Until I hit that nigga, then they ask, what's next? You know I ain't even stressing. Where my money collection? I had to switch it up, yeah, you know, correction. Give a nigga brain damage like a head-on collision. Wanna challenge me, my dude? Better change your decision. I got a chopper in the trunk and leave a big incision. We get money over here, or did I forget to mention?
Look me in my face. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. Sick in town, keep me up.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
He needs some milk. Turn up, bitch.
Look me in my face. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. Sick in town, keep me up. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries.
What up, man? Just got done out there killing it. I'll drink your food for a minute. Got boy me his riding a little bit. He can't ride it good though. Yeah, man. Hey, this is my first time pulling my really pulling my KX back out though since I redid it. Since I got it fixed. I rode a little bit earlier this week. Had it out there in the field, but it wasn't too much though. It was really get down on today though. Y'all seen from the footage, man. You know what time it is. I think my next move, I'm about to start taking it back out there to the tracks and make sure y'all check that joint out. It's about to be it right now though, man. I'm about to take these to the car wash. He said he washing both of them. I'm like, yes. So we Gucci, we good to go. Alright, man, catch y'all on the next one.